Okay. Okay, interview muna. Thank you.
Miss Shamsi! Oh my God! You look so beautiful!
Thank you so much. Tsunami yan, oh.
Ay, oo nga. Oo nga. O, diba hanggang ngayon, may story pa rin yung mga gowns mo. Miss Shamsi, I would like to congratulate you in advance. Ang lakas-lakas po talaga ng laban ni Atisa today.
Yes, alam mo na, sabi ko nga, one of the most important parts of the competition is the preliminaries. Kasi nga, dyan talaga makikita mo sino magsa-stand out. And dyan yung first cut kasi. So I always, tell our candidate that the preliminary is the most important part of the competition. Kasi once you get in, medyo itong coronation night, ano na lang to?
Sisiw na lang.
And I believe that Atisa gave one of the most flawless performance that night. And I'm so proud of her. I'm so happy that she took control of her journey. Sabi ko sa kanya during her send-off, we can all just give you a lot of advice. People will always, message you, the fans, but in the end, it's your journey. And I'm really happy that she took control of that journey and it paid off. And so I'm so excited. Sabi ko nga, parang deja vu ng 2018. I was also here when Catriona won Miss Universe. And I really hope that the history will repeat itself. And today, makakamta na natin ang ikalimang corona para sa Philippines. Wow, Philippines!
Message niyo po kay Atisa, one last.
Atisa, I'm so proud of you. It took a long time, no? Maraming hurdles, marami kang pinagdaanan, but I feel like it all led you to this moment. I always believe in destiny. Sometimes, you don't get it at first, but destiny is just waiting for the right time to give you what's right for you or what's destined for you. And I really, really hope, I'm praying, kasi nga, wala na sa kamay natin, nagawa mo na yung part mo. It's just the judges now, and whatever the result is, we are very, very proud of you. And the whole Philippines is proud of you. Talagang ginalingan mo, tinaas mo ang bandera ng Pilipinas, and for that, we are truly grateful.
Woo! Congratulations to you, Miss Shamsi!
Thank you so much!
Miss Universe 2011 third runner-up. Thank you, Madam Shamsi.
I love the pailaw. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Impact Challenger is equipped with fire extinguishers and fire hoses. In case of
From send-off. Yes, and I'm just really happy regarding her journey. I remember my message to her that time that, when you're a candidate, a lot of people will give their unsolicited advice because everybody wants you to win. But in the end, I told her the most important thing is for her to follow her heart because this is her journey. And we're just here to support her, bigyan siya ng advice. But in the end, it has to be her decision, her journey, and I think she took control of that. And it paid off. I believe that she did a wonderful job during the preliminaries. Kaya talaga, ang lakas ng feeling ko tonight, kasi di ba tonight she was born, yung aga-aga natin, but it brings back memories. Because I was here in 2018 during Catriona, and I hope that, history will repeat itself, and sana ngayon na nga, ipagkaloob sa atin ang ikalimang corona para sa Pilipinas.
How do you feel, because the fans are saying that Atisa followed your advice not to peak?
Ay, grabe, hanggang ngayon may no one to peak pa rin. Well, every journey is different. Sabi ko nga, we can only give her advice, but in the end, it's up to the girl on how she will accept it or how she will turn it into her own. And I'm happy that, sabi ko, the most important part of the competition kasi talaga is during the closed door, the preliminaries, and finally the finals. So, yun kasi yung graded, yun kasi yung meron talagang scoring na may bearing talaga. Although, of course, we understand now with social media, you have to be present talaga. It's not like my time, wala lang sa Instagram during my time. So, it's a bit different. So, kailangan din you change with times. You can't have, specific, formula. Walang Yeah, so, but I believe she deserves a top 5 finish, no? And kung top 3 talagang, pag nag-top 3 siya, medyo, alam mo na, malapit na tayo doon. But again, as I've said many times before, it's not up to us. We can only watch, observe, give our opinions on their performances. But at the end of the day, it's the judges' call. So, alam nyo na guys, i-pray over nyo na yung mga judges. Na huwag na ang mga isip nila, diba? Na talagang they give a fair score to each delegate. Kasi pinaghirapan talaga nila.
Ma'am Shamsi, kailan kayo huli nag-usap ni Atisa?
Nung send-off pa niya. Oo, kasi alam ko na marami naman siyang kausap. At saka busy na yan, marami nang nanggugulo sa isip. Sa akin kasi, once you leave the Philippines, tapos na. Alam mo yan, parang tapos na ang training, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, lahat ng inaral mo, tapos na yun. You're here, you have to be present, you have to just have fun, do what you feel is you. And I believe I was able to impart that knowledge or advice to her before she left. Nasabi ko, in the end, you know, everybody can say their piece. And it's very subjective. Beauty is subjective. Even choice of gowns is subjective. What may be beautiful for one may not be for the other. But it's very subjective. So, ang advice ko talaga sa kanya, choose what is the best for her. Yung pakiramdam niya, kung saan siya masaya, saan siya confident. Again, it's her journey. Kahit andito tayo to support her, siya lang yung mag-isa nandun. And I want her to feel confident. I want her to be happy, diba? With her journey. And I think she's doing that. Kaya sana tayo, support lang tayo guys. Kasi ginawa na ni Ate sa lahat. And ngayon, wala na sa kamay niya. Diba? So just pray for her and hopefully everything goes well.
Ma'am, last question. Marami nagtatanong sa'yo kung may idea ka sa gown ni Atisa. Mabuwindang ba kami mamaya?
I must say it's the first time na makakita ko ng ganong design. I mean, in pageants. Alam mo yun? So, medyo kakaiba siya. So, it's by, of course, Val.
Yes.
And we're just excited, and it has been her direction naman what she wanted to feel on stage. So hopefully, magustuhan ng tao, ng fans. Alam ko yan, inaabangan niya yan. Pero, you know, I feel like she's gonna stand out during the evening gown.
Thank you so much, Miss Shamsi. Congratulations in advance again.
Thank you.
Bye.